Do you want to delete WhatsApp call history? You can remove all your call history permanently from WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp call history permanently. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Deleting WhatsApp call history permanently is the action of removing all records of video and voice calls from the call log within the WhatsApp application. This includes all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. To delete all of your WhatsApp call history permanently, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, you'll see a list of chats on the screen. Look for the menu at the bottom or top of the screen. You'll see different options and tap on the calls. This will display your recent video and voice call history. To delete all or specific call history, long press on a call in the list. This will highlight the call. Now, tap on each additional call that you want to delete. Each tap will select the call. Once you have selected all the calls you want to remove, tap on the delete icon located at the top right of the screen. If you want to clear all video and audio calls at once, tap on the three dots menu at the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Clear Call Log. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Tap on OK to confirm your deletion. Now, your call history is permanently removed from WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.